how to edit an image on Grok. So let's go ahead and open up our app here. And what we can do is we could type something in, and then we can edit that photo and see what it does. So I'm just going to type in, let's say, give me a picture of Tony Stark and Iron Man shaking hands. Wait for that to process. And then from here, we can type another prompt in to actually edit that photo. So let's say I want to change the Iron Man suit colors into a different color. What you can do is just type it in as a prompt. What you do see here is some options here, some quick suggestions. What you can do is change it into a cyberpunk style, things like that. So Grok itself will give you some options, but you can just go ahead and type something in. So let's say change Iron Man suit into blue and gold colors. Go ahead and send that in and see what it spits out. And this is what you would do to edit any image that you want. You just keep on typing in prompts, and it will affect the current picture that it has there. And as you see here, the image has been changed, the photo has been changed, and you can just keep going and repeating different types of prompts to get you a picture that you really want to see. And that's it. Super easy and super simple.